everybody, so today I am starting this jigsaw. It is called Seabirds and it's from Otter House. I got it when I was in England in the jigsaw shop in Easing Road. I think this is my first Otter House jigsaw that I make. I never tried this producer before, so I'm excited about the quality. And it has got 500 pieces. So the box is really solid. I'm impressed by that. It hasn't got shrink wrap. It's in a paper envelope, so it's zero plastic. I like this a lot. So we've got this little stickers here, and yeah, the picture itself is by Madeline Floyd. I will show you more of this at the end of the video. And I would say, let's start the jigsaw. So here we have the seabirds. I thought it would be a bit more trickier. To be honest, the birds were a bit tricky, but you've got enough like colorful pieces in the middle. Like you've got this light tower and a few seashells and sea grass or seaweed. We have this all around, so that was quite nice. It was fun to do. So yeah, 500 pieces. That was very quick, but it was fun. So I was wondering which kind of flag could that be. Do you know that? I don't know. So I don't know if it's a country or maybe it's some thing from the seaside or something that are, because you know they are all over here. So I think we've got 5 or 6 of them, but oh, more. Yeah. If you know what they are, I would appreciate if you tell me, because I'm always keen to learn more. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. If you want, you can hit the like button, and we will see us on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.